Good morning, y'all. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go to Quick Check this morning. Like, that's all I was thinking. I'm gonna have Quick Check for lunch, but I'll just get it later for lunch tomorrow. I was moving in some cashews. That's all. I'm just annoyed. But I definitely am I have time to get coffee this morning, though. Yeah. Let me take y'all up real quick. So, I didn't even get to tell y'all. I had to get a whole new battery. I hope y'all can hear me. I had to get a whole new battery because that battery was 3 years old. Like, y'all couldn't change the battery before y'all gave it to me. My lips feel so full. Shout out to my mother. And Dev had to get a whole new I had to get a whole new battery. So this should last me for another 3 years. I am still getting that done at the dealership. Because it was just cheaper that way. It was just cheaper. Yeah, I'm back in business. So today we have our holiday concert. Well, I'll wait for this to thaw out. We have our holiday concert. I'm wearing my Santa Claus hat, and I'll show you my little cardigan that I got from Amazon last year. It's like snowman's. It's half red, half green, and his snowman's on it. I'm just really dressed down today. I'm not really feeling it. I really woke up thinking today was Thursday. Like, I was like, I'm like, yo, today is Thursday. But it's not. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go finish getting some gas while at work. And I'm signing up for the gym. Alright. I think I talked too much now. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna make a post about this PJ Morton concert if anybody wants to come with me. If not, I'm just gonna do this. Like, I really said I was gonna start doing stuff by myself, but I don't wanna go to a concert by myself, you know? That's what to be with somebody. So I'm gonna post and see what response I get. On that note, I'll see y'all later. Cause my car is defrosting. Let me show y'all. Sis got her coffee. Sis got her coffee. I got an added shot of espresso. And it was free. Yes, on my way to work. Every change there is no wonder. Alright, good night. I leave the GPS on because
in half a mile, stay
it tells me when the app is out, you know, and if there's any detours. But on that note, let me go. This is my outfit for the day. I told you I was gonna wear this. Yesterday I told you I was gonna wear this ensemble, this cardigan sweater that I got from Amazon last Christmas. It's just snowman with splitting down the middle, half green, half red. The shirt is Forever 21, the skirt is Forever 21, and my Ugg boots. It was pretty much an easy day. Such an easy day. Let's print that out. So I'm gonna get the holiday package done early this year. Trying to get that done today instead of having them done the day of. Like last year, I did the day of. Ooh. So yeah, they did pictures with Santa. So this is their pictures. Didn't it come out cute? Even though she had to like Photoshop, but they came out really cute. They came out real cute. So yeah, we're gonna put those in the frames. Remember the frames we made? So today we did fill in the missing alphabet, and then what else? We had a little fashion show because everyone's so dressed up beautiful. They dressed so beautiful today. And then we did that. I'm about to have me my smoothie. And I'm about to go print off the stuff. I think we're gonna just practice until it's time. Yeah, we're gonna practice. They're doing really good though. You were doing rocking around the Christmas tree. I don't know if I told y'all. My stomach. TMI, but I went to the bathroom just now. Man. I'm not doing that. That's crazy. Yo, but let me tell you something. If you're ever feeling down, just go to the Shade Room comments. I'm gonna insert the comment here. You know, J.R. Smith and his wife, they're going through it, right? And so she was praying, and somebody put, I ain't know God had an IG, because, you know, she was praying on Instagram. He was like, I ain't know God had an IG. And somebody said, when did God get an IG? And so he could hear this prayer. I was in tears. But y'all, we praying for marriages out here. Somebody asked me if I had makeup on today. I was like, girl. This one of the nurse, she asked me if I had makeup on. Does it look like I have makeup on? Look, I had to get this. Well, my dress comes today. So let's parade home. I still don't know what I'm getting my Secret Santa. I think I'm a diffuser. I did order a diffuser and essential oils because I know that's what she likes. Might also get her a gift card as well. But anywho, bye. So work is done, and we just got an alert on our phone saying that it's supposed to be snow and icy at 4:50. I had so much to do, but I guess I'm not getting done. Get me some food and take my butt home. What the heck? This is crazy. This is crazy. I need to be home. I'm going home. This is freaking crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is different. This is crazy. This came out of nowhere. It's like nothing happened. It's like nothing happened. What in the world? It's like nothing happened, y'all. What is going on? This weather is so different, bipolar. I'm convinced we have a bipolar Mother Nature. What's up? You okay? How you doing? Don't run away. Oh, man. All right, so for dinner, I'm having a salad, a whole bunch of spinach with raspberry vinaigrette and blueberries. I have some salmon, a little bit of sweet potato, and I started eating a cucumber for dessert. Didn't really do anything. The dress that I got for the banquet doesn't fit. Shocker, right? It doesn't fit. So I got a 2 backup dresses coming. So hopefully those fit. If not, just gotta find something in my closet to wear and call it a day. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed. Not go to bed, I'm gonna eat and relax for the rest of the night. This kind of sucks, but it's my fault. That stuff doesn't fit me. Anyways, thank you for tuning into my channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And of course, if you're not already a part of the Sinian's World family, get on that flow. Shout out to my new subscribers. Welcome. Yeah. See ya. Bye.